Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to clean up your Snapchat friend list in 2025, if you have come to the right place. Today I will show you how to remove multiple friends at once, quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Open Snapchat. Start by launching the Snapchat app on your device. Access your profile. Tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. Navigate to Friends list. Scroll down and click on My Friends. Here you will see all your current friends. Select Friends to remove. Unfortunately, Snapchat does not allow you to remove multiple friends with a single click. You'll need to do this by one by one. Tap on the three dots icon next to a friend's name. Select Manage Friendship and choose Remove Friend. Alternative method. If you have a long list of friends and want to pick a solution, consider deleting your Snapchat account entirely and creating a new one. This way you can start fresh and only add back the friends you want. Then there you have it. Removing multiple friends on Snapchat may take some time if done individually. But with these steps, you can streamline the process. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.